Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to be talking about the Equipment Fault Codes module located on Diesel Repair. And as you can see, to access it, you simply click on Equipment Fault Codes, and you will have to have a paid subscription in order to view this module. If I go into here, you'll see we have essentially several easy drop-down choices, and what you do is you simply select the manufacturer you're looking at, and then you select the model and even the ECU. So, for example, on a Bobcat E35, there's a ton of different options in here. And even when you look at like engine codes, they break them down by serial numbers quite often as well. So you can make a selection. I go to the fault code. If you do not know your fault code number, hit search, and you'll see where they have the fault code modules listed. And you can read more information on that fault code, and you can get the repair information on possible causes. So let's just go through the menus real quick, just so you can get a quick look. If you're contemplating purchase subscription to this, we can give you an idea of the coverage. You'll find out that it is very complete. There are a lot of manufacturers. The team at Diesel Repair has spent many, many years developing and including all this content into the platform. So it has taken quite a while to do that. And again, you'll find not just engine repair information, but you will find other information as well, such as other ECUs, transmission, hydraulic system, cab controllers, infotainments, all the fancy things that exist on commercial trucks today. And the other thing I'd point out is a lot of times engines are using other people's equipment. So if there's another equipment manufacturer using a Volvo engine, you would simply go to the Volvo engine section to go locate that, and all the engines are listed and detailed out in detail to allow you to easily find them. So there you go. That's the quick overview on equipment fault codes. Hope you enjoyed the video. We look forward to seeing you on the platform. Head to repair.diesellaptops.com to learn more.